Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems, an Amphenol company, and you're watching Real Times, our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, and everything coax. Today we have Phil Lenk with us. He is an applications engineer with Micro-Coax, and I'm really excited to have you with us. Phil, welcome.
Thanks for having me, Carrie.
So today we're going to talk about semi-rigid specifically, which is one of your core products.
That's correct.
And something that you've done for a very long time. So first of all, talk about what semi-rigid is, or what are we talking about when we say semi-rigid cable?
Well, semi-rigid cable, I'll grab my tin can here, right? So to understand at a high level what a microwave cable is, I have a simple breakdown of what it is. But it's not. It's showing a center conductor, a dielectric material, and an outer conductor or tube. And when you put those three pieces together, we get what is the coaxial cable. And that's what we started out with Micro-Coax. Nearly 100 years ago, we were birthed from a tubing company that specializes in manufacturing metal tubes. And then from there was a need to shield a wire conductor, so they put that inside of the tubing with a dielectric to hold it centered, and out of that was birthed, again, the microwave cable.
So the need is like, you know, we could play the old telephone game, right?
We could.
A tin can, but what's the need?
The need is to transmit a clear, consistent signal without signal loss, without interference.
So we can communicate.
We can communicate.
I like it. I like it a lot. So you sell semi-rigid as plain cable and also as assemblies?
Yeah, so we can do semi-rigid in a few form factors. If you can imagine this as a straight length piece of cable, we can sell that up to 20 footers. We manufacture here in America in our Potsdam, Pennsylvania location.
And that's your only manufacturing location,
right?
That's
our only manufacturing location. That's available through the factory or also nearby in distribution around the world. From there, we can also connectorize it, make it into a completed cable assembly, sell that for you. And thirdly, we can form it into complex configurations and then also connectorize them to meet your custom footprints for various applications.
So what are some of the markets that you would use this product for?
Our typical markets are going to be places like satellites, payloads into the air, antennas, various communication systems, but they could also be used in military, again, where you have in-the-box solutions, connecting board to board, going out of the box. Basically any place you're trying to get a signal conductor through that has a high shielding requirement due to that tubular nature. It's fantastic at containing signals as well as rejecting the outside signals coming in. We have cryogenic cables that can be used at very, very low
Sounds like a lot of harsh environments.
Harsh environments is a key place we can play. Broad temperature ranges, high vibration areas there. Too, right? We can serve anywhere in the RF world. We can be in military application satellites, ground-based, scientific applications, test and measurements. Again, places where you have a need for a high reliability coaxial cable. We would love to service you.
And obviously, if it's an opportunity or a customer needs help designing something, there's applications engineers like yourself out in the field that can help.
Yeah, so one thing that we pride ourselves in is working with the customer, working with their engineers to understand their need and their problem, because when we can work together to get a custom-made solution, that's how we both win and both succeed.
The product might not even exist yet, right? And we have to sort of create it together.
Yeah, they could have unique applications where they need to, for some reason, transmit a signal down a drilling well, which has a very, very harsh environment. And we worked in specialized applications with very hard alloys and materials that can withstand such harsh environments.
So Micro-Coax has their own website. You can also get to it through Times website. But how do you buy your products? What's the avenue to procure some of your
semi-rigid so for semi-rigid cables, you can go through a few methods. They are in stock at distributors around the world currently. You can come to the factory direct for a quote, or you can always work with your local sales rep and bring them your need, and we'll work with them.
Perfect. Well, thank you for being here, Phil. Appreciate it. So glad we're partners in crime together with tackling this coax world together, and hope to have you back.
I appreciate that. I'd love to come back.
Awesome. So thank you for watching Real Times. Please like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to us at realtimes@timesmicro.com. That's REEL. And until next time, stay real.